Hello all, welcome to another session in this course. As part of this session, I'm going to cover the next topic, that is reversing the elements in an array. How to reverse the elements in an array. It's very simple, guys. In JavaScript, if you want to reverse the elements in an array, that is the first element should go into the last position and the element which is there in the last position should come to the first position in the array. If that is a requirement, there's simple method or function known as reverse. So let me practically demonstrate. I'll be using this particular thing as a reference though. I'll just opening this. I'll open this in the browser meanwhile, and I'll just immediately switch to this editor where I'm going to create a new file and say reverse array elements.js. And here I would like to create an array. Let whatever it may be, AR is equal to, or let numbers is equal to square bracket. And okay, let me provide the list of the items 9, 5, 1, 7. Okay. Here, if I print this, okay, if I print these numbers before reversing the elements in the array, if I print these numbers, you will see 9517 will be printed here. Node, I'll run the program, array hyphen elements dot .js 9517. Okay. Now, what I'm going to do here is I'm just going to reverse the numbers in the array, that is numbers is the array, and say reverse. And the return type of this reverse is again an array. Okay. So here let reversed numbers is equal to, okay, like this you write. Now print, okay, now print reversed numbers. Okay. So by using this reverse method, I'm going to reverse the elements in this array. And after reversing the elements in this array, this reverse method will return an array as a return type that I'm storing here into the reversed numbers array, and I'm printing that. Okay, so let's run this and see that before reversing, okay, in the original array numbers 9517 are there. After reversing, 7159 came. Okay, the last number came to the first and first number went to the last. Okay, 7159. So hope guys you understood how to reverse the elements in an array. And just for reference, these are the nodes, array dot reference. Okay, the array name dot reverse, and this will return you another array that if you print out, you will find the list of elements in the array will be in the reversed format, where the last element will come to the first position and first element will go to the last position and so on. Okay. Okay. So yeah, then fine. So this is like, the same logic I have written, right? And clearly see here numbers dot reverse, and you got the reverse array. Fine. So that's all for this session. See you in the next session. Thank you. Bye bye.